Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to open an account with Starling Bank. Now, I know there are a lot of banks out there, so you might be wondering why I chose Starling. Well, there are a few reasons. First, Starling is a mobile-only bank, which means you can manage your finances from your phone or tablet. This is super convenient, especially if you're always on the go. Second, Starling offers a number of features that other banks don't, such as the ability to set up spaces for saving and budgeting, and to get real-time notifications about your spending. So, if you're interested in learning how to open an account with Starling Bank, stay tuned. How to open an account with Starling Bank. Opening an account with Starling Bank is easy. All you need to do is download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've done that, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to take a selfie and a photo of your ID. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to create your account and start using the app. Features of Starling Bank. As I mentioned earlier, Starling Bank offers a number of features that other banks don't. Here are a few of the most popular. Spaces. Spaces are like virtual piggy banks that you can use to save money for specific goals. You can set up as many spaces as you want, and you can give each space a name and a target amount. Spending Insights. Spending Insights gives you a detailed breakdown of your spending habits. You can see how much you've spent in different categories, and you can also track your spending over time. Goals. Goals helps you to save money for specific goals, such as a new car or a down payment on a house. You can set up a goal and track your progress towards it over time. Notifications. Notifications let you know when you've made a transaction, when your balance has reached a certain amount, or when you've overspent your budget. Travel Money. Travel Money lets you exchange currency at competitive rates. You can also set up a travel space to save money for your next trip. Pros and cons of Starling Bank. There are a few pros and cons to using Starling Bank. Pros. Mobile-only bank. Easy to open an account. Free to use. Offers a variety of features, such as spaces, spending insights, goals, and notifications. Competitive exchange rates. Cons. No physical branches. Limited customer service hours. Not available in all countries. I've been using Starling Bank for a few months now, and I'm really happy with it. I find it to be a convenient and user-friendly way to manage my finances. If you're looking for a new bank, I would definitely recommend giving Starling Bank a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.